Hey guys, this is Julie from Crafty Beach on YouTube, and I have a fun Christmas Dollar Tree DIY for you. I'm going to start with 3 of these wooden frames from the Dollar Tree. I just made sure they were all about the same finish and the same size. Now, ideally, it'd be better to have 4 for what I'm going to make, but I'm going to show you how I put mine together with only 3 of them. The first thing I did was just remove the wood beads from them, and as you can see, some of them have backs that come right off like that. And some of them are kind of more built into the frame. No big deal. I just go ahead and pull them apart into 2 sections like that so I can remove it. And then I can kind of go from there. What I want to do is put the wood frames together to make a faux Christmas gift to use for Christmas decor. I went ahead and cut the corners off of all 4 of those pieces. So now I have side pieces. I'm going to go ahead and glue this one back together that I did have to take apart, and this one as well. So right now we have 2 squares and we have 4 of just the side pieces like that I can use to fill in the cube shape that I'm wanting for a gift. I'm just going to use some hot glue to put mine together. I put some hot glue here in the end, just making sure that the frame part is going towards the inside of the gift like that, the little opening. And I do that for all 4 of them. Then I take the other frame, more hot glue, and attach this. Now we have the great cube shape that we can make into a faux Christmas gift. Now I was worried that the hot glue would not be strong enough, so I went back in with my staple gun and just reinforced all the corners. And as you can see, the hot glue was already not really holding up for this. It was just too much for it to hold to keep this kind of like larger shape. And so that helped, and it's not too distracting on that. Now for the gift wrap, I'm using some of the Dollar Tree red velvet ribbon. And I'm going to start right here, attach a little hot glue, wrap it around, and we're going to wrap it like you would wrap a present, going one way and then going the other. That's going to provide a really fun pop of color. I just make all of my seams there on the bottom of the faux gift where you won't be able to see it. And now to DIY a bow. I'm going to kind of do mine in pieces. I just cut a piece, dovetail the ends, and then I cut a larger piece to make a little faux bow. This way I don't have to worry about tying it. It's going to lay perfectly. I just use some twine to cinch it all together right there in the middle, and we have a cute little gift bow for this present. Now you could also use, I guess you could use like a real bow on top of that as well if you wanted, depending on what kind of gift ribbon that you used, like an actual package bow. And then I wanted to add a little something special. I thought a jingle bell. I wanted a little bit of metallic and color. And these are the Dollar Tree jingle bells in silver. I just strung some together with some more twine. And we're going to attach those to the top of our Christmas gift. Now it's almost complete. I thought I could add a little bit more detail to the sides. And I was kind of going with a red and white theme. So I'm using some of the Dollar Tree white glitter snowflakes on each side of the present, and that just provided, I think, a little bit more fun. This is how it turned out.